In this video we will look at how can we install Git on a Windows machine. So let's select Windows on the download page. Here we have two standalone installer. Let's download the 64-bit version. Okay, and the process is pretty straightforward. Click Next. Here we have to select the destination location. We can leave this as it is, program files Git, then click Next. By default we already have Git Bash and Git UI. Let's click Next. Here is the start menu folder, is okay, click Next. We can choose the default editor used by Git. We have few options. Let's go with the Git default editor and click Next. Initial branch in new repositories. Let's go with let Git decide. Click Next. We have the pet environment variables. Let's go with the recommended option and click Next. And for the following steps, we can go with the recommended options and click Next. Choose the default behavior of Git pull. We can go with the default options, which is fast forward or merge. Click Next. Here we choose the credential helper. We can go with credential manager and click Next. Configure extra options like enable system caching, okay. And here we can configure some experimental options. Let's leave this as it is and click on install. Now let's open Git Bash and test the installation is finished. As expected, everything is fine. Thank you very much for your time and see you at the next one. Bye.